Your attention. Number 10. Which of the following is monosaccharides? Monosaccharides. Mono refers to one. Saccharide, sugar. Good. Carbohydrates. The main source of energy for all living organisms. Carbohydrates can be grouped in three in terms of their sugar content. These are monosaccharides. Disaccharides. And then polysaccharides. So, in terms of their sugar contents, carbohydrates can be grouped into three. These are monosaccharides, disaccharides, and then polysaccharides. Monosaccharides, simple sugar, a single sugar unit. Disaccharide, di, two, saccharide, sugar. Polysaccharides, poly, many, saccharides, sugar. So, monosaccharides are simple sugars. These are glucose, galactose, and then fructose. Monosaccharides or simple sugars in banana. Glucose, galactose, and then fructose. በነገራችን ላይ fructose ማለት a kind of sugar which is found in fruits and honey. honey ውስጥ ማር ውስጥና fruit ውስጥ የምናገኘው sugar which is fructose sugar ይባላል። So these are monosaccharides, simple sugars. These simple sugars are the same molecular formula as C6H12O6, that isomers. What does isomers mean? Isomers are structures that have the same molecular formula but structural difference. So all monosaccharides have the same molecular formula, C6H12O6. All monosaccharides can dissolve in water, plus they have sweet taste. How about disaccharides? When two monosaccharides combine together by condensation reaction, we get disaccharides. Good. Let's say, for example, when glucose molecule react with other glucose molecule, we get a kind of disaccharide, maltose plus water molecule. So this is said to be condensation reaction. A reaction that produces water as a byproduct is condensation reaction. A reaction that produces water. So when glucose reacts with glucose, it gives us a disaccharide maltose. Maltose እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ maltose ምንድነው? which is disaccharide ነው ማለት ነው። What is the molecular formula of glucose? C6H12O6 plus glucose, C6H12O6, which gives us maltose plus water. So what is the molecular formula of maltose? Let's add these things together. 6 carbon, 6 carbon. It gives us C12. 12 hydrogen, 12 hydrogen. Hydrogen 24. 6 oxygen, 6 oxygen. Oxygen 12. But it is a molecular formula of maltose. Don't forget, this is a condensation reaction that produces water as a byproduct. ወተት ፕሮዲስ ለማድረግ ደግሞ ሁለት ሃይድሮጅን እና አንድ ኦክሲጅን ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከሃይድሮጅን ሁለት ሃይድሮጅን እንቀንሳለን ማይነስ 2 which becomes 22 ይሆናል። ከኦክሲጅን ደግሞ አንድ እንቀንሳለን ማለት it becomes what 11. That's why C12 H22 or 11. This is the molecular formula of the maltose. How about when glucose react with fructose? So the answer is what? Sucrose plus water.